Hey y'all, I'm not showing myself. I'm making a breakfast skillet with bacon, eggs, hash browns. So I got the bacon and the hash browns in here, and the hash browns are nice and soft. The bacon is done, so I didn't put any oil. I just used the oil that was in the bacon. Just let it all stay in there and cook together. Okay, now got some eggs. This is 4 eggs I got beat up. I hope it does right. I don't know. And I put the bacon in there while it was preheating. And then I threw the frozen hash browns in here. Okay, put some cheese. I got some American cheese I'm just going to put in here. So I don't know. I never did this before. So I hope it turns out good. All just to cook together. I guess I could have crumbled the bacon up. Okay, let's get over there since that's where the egg wants to be. Okay. I have it on the grill setting, and it set itself for 10 minutes. So I have 2 minutes left. And I put it on the max heat setting because it was on high. So we're going to see what's going to happen. Let me get rid of this mess. I want all this in here. Like I said, I didn't put any oil, just the grease from the bacon. Wash this again. Let me turn this down to high. No, it was quick. Let me see what's going on. Still need some more cooking. And I want some toast. No, I ain't gonna put my bread in there. Turn it up. So it's cooked for 10 minutes. So I think it needs maybe 2 more minutes. Is this on? Yeah. I don't want it to preheat. When I turn off the preheat, I just press preheat and then open it up. So it's not going to cook for another 10 minutes. Maybe a minute and a half now. Have to watch it. Okay. I think it can just sit in here. Put it over here. That's enough for 2 people. Have to wake Walter up. Hope this bread don't fly. I'm checking it for next time. When I cook it, I'll know what to expect. So next time I'll set it for 13 minutes. Okay. And he will keep cooking it. Okay, that's good. This is, I don't know how many half strips of bacon, but it's 4 eggs. Let me turn this over so that I can cook. I don't want no half done egg. This part is doner, so I could get this. Call this a skillet. Not quite an omelet, because everything is thick and chunky. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's cooking. Still cooking. Okay, y'all. This is my breakfast skillet. Eggs, bacon, hash browns, and cheese. I cooked it in my Ninja Foodi extra large grill on the grill setting for 13 minutes. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Needs a little salt, but it tastes good. Okay, bye.